heard that one in a while. I'm kidding. I mean, you're asexual, so. You that one man, I'm gonna laugh at your grave. That's horrible. I just tagged you with something, by the way. Let's go look at that double chin.
That's his butt.